Now we crochet the leaf of the apple, like this leaf. Okay, we use the green color, the yarn ball of green color. Okay, look, we can pull the yarn from the middle of a ball like this. It's very convenient for us. This is the middle also. Pull from the middle of ball. We can put the balls inside the packing box and put the yarn like this. Put the yarn like this. It's very convenient for us. Okay. We use double yarn to crochet together. This one yarn, totally 2 yarn. We put them together. Crochet the double yarn together. Look at my hand. Hold the yarn firstly. Wrap the yarn on my finger. Like this. Use finger to press the yarn like this. Okay, look at our pattern firstly. Leaf of apple. Number 1. Firstly, 9 chain stitch. Press the yarn. Use finger to press the yarn like this. Use hook. Press the yarn down like this. Turn around. Now there is a loop on the hook. Use finger to press this. Use finger to press this. Yarn over. Pull through from the loop. This is the turning. This is the turning stitch. This is the turning stitch. The turning stitch don't count the total stitch. Okay, look at our pattern. First, 9 chain stitch. Okay, chain stitch. Yarn over. Pull through the loop directly. This is 1 chain stitch. Look, it's the first chain stitch. We put the marker on the first stitch. For beginners, we best put marker on the first stitch and the last stitch of each round. It helps us to record. It can help us to crochet. Okay, continue. 1 chain stitch finish, and we repeat 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chain stitch finish. This one is the last stitch. We put marker on the last stitch. We count the stitch together. The pink marker is the first stitch. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the last stitch, the purple marker stitch. 9 chain stitch is right. Okay, we continue. Look at our pattern. The second, one stitch has 2 sides. One stitch has 2 sides. It looks like a letter V. This is the left side. This is the right side. In this line, we also crochet in the left side. This side, this side, this side. Okay, look at our pattern. Skip 1. Skip 1 means no crochet. The 1. The purple marker is the 1 stitch, so skip it. No crochet. We crochet from the second, this side. Look pattern again. After skip 1 single crochet. Okay. Insert hook in this stitch. Yarn over. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through the 2 loops. This is a single crochet. We can take off the marker. take off the marker, tighten the yarn a bit. After single crochet and then half double crochet. Firstly, we find the next stitch. Look, this side is the next stitch. Half double crochet. Our firstly, insert the stitch. Over 3 loops on the hook. Push through the 3 loops together. Tighten the yarn a bit. Okay, we find the next stitch. This is the next stitch. Okay, look at our pattern. And then 4 double crochet. Double crochet yarn over. Firstly, insert hook in the side. Yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the first 2 loops firstly, and yarn over again. Push through the last 2 loops. Tighten the yarn a bit. Okay, repeat 3 double crochet. This is the next stitch. Yarn over firstly, insert the stitch, double crochet. Push through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again. Push through the last 2 loops. 2 double crochet finish, and repeat 2. Find the stitch. This the next stitch. Yarn over firstly, insert the stitch. Yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the first 2 loops. And yarn over again. Push through the last 2 loops. Tighten the yarn a bit. 3 single crochet, 3 double crochet finish. The last one. Find the next stitch. This firstly, double crochet, insert hook in the stitch. Yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again. Push through the last 2 loops. Tighten the yarn a bit. Okay, look. Okay, look. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet finish. Continue. Look at our pattern, and then 1 half double crochet. Half double crochet. We find the stitch firstly. This set is the next stitch. Half double crochet yarn over firstly, insert the stitch, yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the 3 loops together. 1 half double crochet finish, and then 1 single crochet. We find the stitch. The next stitch is the last stitch, the pink marker stitch. The last stitch. Okay, single crochet. Insert hook directly into the stitch. Yarn over. Yarn over. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Push through the 2 loops together. Tighten the yarn a bit. Look, single crochet finish, and then 1 chain stitch. Chain stitch is finished. Tighten the yarn. Look, the half of the leaf finish, and then the next third. 1 single crochet. Okay, we turn the leaf like this. The pink marker stitch is the first stitch. Insert hook in the first stitch, the pink marker stitch. Yarn over. Push through the 2 loops together. This 1 single crochet finish. Take off the marker firstly. Then half double crochet. Half double crochet. We find the stitch firstly. We find the stitch firstly. This is the next stitch. Half double crochet. Yarn over firstly. Insert the stitch. Insert the stitch in the stitch. Yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the 3 loops together. Tighten the yarn a bit. 1 double crochet finish, and then 1 half double crochet finish, and then 4 double crochet. Find the next stitch firstly. This stitch is the next stitch. Double crochet, yarn over firstly. Insert. Yarn over. 3 loops on the hook. Push through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again. Push through the last 2 loops together. Tighten the yarn a bit, and continue. Double crochet. This is the next stitch. yarn over. Firstly, insert a hook into the next stitch, yarn over 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops, tighten the yarn a bit, 2 double crochet finish, and continue. This stitch is the next stitch, yarn over. Firstly, insert the stitch, yarn over 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops, tighten the yarn a bit, 3 double crochet finish, and repeat another 1 double crochet. This is the next stitch, yarn over. Firstly, insert hook in the stitch, yarn over 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops together, tighten the yarn a bit. Okay, 4 double crochet finish, and then half double crochet. Find the next stitch. Firstly, this is the next stitch, yarn over. Firstly, insert hook the stitch, yarn over 3 loops on the hook, pull through the 3 loops together, pull through the 3 loops together, and tighten the yarn. 1 half double crochet finish, and then single crochet. Find the next stitch. The next stitch. This one is the next stitch. Single crochet. Insert hook directly. Yarn over 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops together. Tighten the yarn. Single crochet finish, and then slip stitch. Slip stitch with the slip stitch with the first stitch. This is the first stitch. Slip stitch. Slip stitch with the first stitch. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over 2 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop into the second loop, and tighten the yarn. Okay, we finish. Make a chain stitch to fix the yarn. Tighten the yarn, and then pull the yarn long. Leave the yarn about 15 cm. Okay, use scissors to cut it. Tighten the yarn. Tighten the yarn. Look, this is the leaf we crocheted. Look, this is the leaf we crocheted. We sew in it later. Turn the back. There is a right end. There is a right end. We can hide them firstly. Use hook, insert. Use hook, insert. Pull through them. Pull through them. Like this. Pull through them to hide them. Like this. Use hook to hide them. Also can use the yarn needle to hide them. Also can hide them like this. And then for the excess yarn, we use scissors to cut them. Okay, look, this is the back, this is the front, this is the leaf we crocheted. For the yarn, we sew in it later. This is the leaf, this is the branch. Okay.